For 25 years, Mediagraph and its recently developed architectural lighting division, TLS International, from our 60,000 square foot facility in Montreal, has been providing quality turnkey solutions to our growing number of agencies. With up-to-date technology and a talented team, we remain innovative in providing fully customizable illuminated solutions. From your concept stage, we are here to help you every step of the way. We have streamlined our website and added a spec code generator to make things easier and simpler to spec your projects and to start with your budget pricing. We then move on to the PO stage to set the shop drawings in motion. Our design team will work with you to make sure that each component of your project is designed to your specs. Once all of the drawings are approved by the client, we then proceed to production. Since almost every project is custom, we have the equipment to cut, shape, and bend each component to your design. Keeping a vast inventory of components allows us quick turnaround time when needed. Powered by the patented and award-winning tension LED system, each project goes through rigorous testing in our TLS lighting department. We have designed and manufactured our own machinery to make our production flow more fluidly. When the lighting department has completed its testing, it's off to assembly. Each TLS project is assembled and tested before shipping. We take great care to make sure that each component fits as it has been designed. Now that the project has been assembled and tested, we then carefully disassemble the project for shipping. The TLS is collapsible, which also makes transport simple and cost-effective. Our packaging was designed to accommodate all of our extruded profiles and cross beams so that it can be shipped flat pack, saving on cost. Each TLS column, profile, crossbeam, and component are identified for easy on-site installation. For certain projects, we recommend full installation by our team, and for others, just simple supervision.